Hi, students and parents. Mrs. Kaufman with helpful information about our weekly writing process. This is the graphic organizer or poster that is at the front of our classroom to help you remember what to do. The expectation is a one-page weekly assignment, not a huge paper, and these are designed to target specific writing skills and also to teach you that writing is a process. It's not just something we do once and hand in to the teacher. You have to keep working on it throughout the week to make it really good. On Monday in class, I introduce the weekly writing prompt. I explain it, talk about what we're focusing on, give you some choices on how to write it, and answer any questions you have. I also post it to my web page, which is on the LRMS site. I also post it in Schoology, as you can see right here. And Schoology is a good place to find the assignment because if you click on the assignment, I take time to put in helpful information like how to get started or a reminder how to format your paper correctly. The expectation is that your rough draft shouldn't take more than 30 minutes. It's not a major writing assignment, it's just one page. You get about 10-15 minutes in class on Monday. Sometimes it's on Tuesday if we have late time getting started. I hope you'll work on it Monday evening. Tuesday, you can always ask your teacher for silent writing time instead of silent reading time. And you have 30 minutes to work on an advisory. So you could technically finish it during advisory and type it on the computer, even if you don't have a computer at home. You also have Tuesday evening to keep working on it. You should submit your week 4 rough draft Tuesday night, but I'll allow you to even submit it the first 5 minutes during class on Wednesday while we're getting set and doing our warm-up. That's fine too. As long as you arrive in class ready for peer editing. Now here's an example of a rough draft. And this is fine. Okay, it's a little bit short, but you see that it's not properly formatted, and I don't really care at a rough draft. This student has gotten some ideas on paper that she can now talk to with her peer. This is okay too. This student wasn't able, she was out, so she did write something, but she wrote it on paper. And so she just logged in and let me know. This helps me when I'm grading, so I don't forget that you wrote it on paper. So the key is to arrive on Wednesday with something so that you can take part in the peer editing. If you miss this step, really, you've missed the whole point of our writing process. Wednesday evening, you should go home and really think about the comments that your peer made, and also take another fresh look at your paper to do some self-editing as well. Fine-tune that paper with a special focus on the skills that we're learning. Go ahead and submit your final draft. Notice there's a different button on Schoology that says Final Draft. And you have until 9 p.m. on Thursday to do that. Many students are actually getting it done Wednesday evening, but I understand you have sports and things, so I give you a little extra time. Well, that's it. I hope that was helpful.